Thank you, Nicole. I'll apologize in advance between my voice and my heart rate coming down a little bit. I'll do my best, but absolutely thrilled with tonight's win over an outstanding Maryland team. Could not be prouder of the effort of our group. It was an unbelievable start to the game. Fantastic goals, contributions from all across our squad. So what a start. I would also want to stress that we played tonight in honor of Penn State, our alumni, our fans, our community members, and especially for all the Penn State staff who have made tonight possible. It was fantastic in the midst of these challenging times to have our guys play a game against, again, a fabulous opponent in Maryland, and delighted to come out with the first victory of the Big Ten season.
Coach, we'll take questions now if you use the raise your hand function in reactions. Go ahead.
Congrats on the win to start. So there was a lot of questions kind of floating around and stuff about the long layoff and the lack of exhibition games, and how that might affect the team's ability to come out and start fast. So how were you satisfied with how your team was able to come out and start the way they did today?
I don't think it'd be fair for me to ask for anything else, anything more, I guess. The intensity of our play and the goals were great. The speed that we started with. When we look at the video, I think we'll see that we were not able to maintain that clearly. I think part of that's due to Maryland and their quality in their fight. I said to the guys at halftime that Maryland against Penn State in most sports, but especially in this case, men's soccer, there's some classic games, and we knew that they would respond. So great start. Well, we're going to have to look at ways to maintain that pace. But again, for me as the head coach, I think the only way that you can develop in that area is to play actual games. It's almost impossible to do it in the practice environment.
Any other questions for Coach? Go ahead, Andre.
Hey, Coach. Just wanted to get a quick comment from you on how you felt about how some of the younger guys played tonight, specifically Peter Mangione with the goal and assist.
Yeah, we've been delighted with Peter since he arrived spring semester last year, and he's a really creative, inventive, attacking player. Really pleased for Peter and delighted for Femi to come in and get his debut as a Penn State Nittany Lion. I thought he acquitted himself really well. It's not easy to jump into a game at halftime and play as well and confidently as he did. So that's a big step forward in his career. So really delighted that those guys contributed, and I'd stress that as this season goes on, because of the frequency of games in a very short space of time and the quick turnaround, we're going to have to rely on guys throughout the squad to continue to make contributions.
Any last questions?
Hi, yeah. What was exactly your thought process when you made the starting line? Like we saw that you put out freshman Peter Mangione to start.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think we're as a staff, we're planning not just for one game, but for these first five specifically in a quick, let's say every 4 days. Concentrating, of course, on Maryland, but we felt Peter had earned that opportunity with the quality of his practice performances. However, we also have been really emphasizing our philosophy that regardless of whether you start the game from the opening whistle or you come in as a substitute, we feel very confident that we have players who come into the game and make big differences. And you saw that tonight with Daniel Bloyu, with Count Pritchett, Femi, Odesso, and some other guys. So, we have confidence in the group, and, without giving too much away right after the end of the first game, I think we probably would expect to make a change or two in the starting lineup come Tuesday against Rutgers.
Anything else? All right. Thanks, guys. I will go get Peter, and he will be on shortly.
Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it.